500 kilometers on a single charge. The absolute truth, or just a clever media illusion? Welcome back to Next Gen Auto Reviews. Today, we expose the 2026 Jaecoo J5 EV, a loud newcomer, compact, packed with undeniable value. But does it actually drive as good as the rumors claim? Let's begin.
The 2026 electric vehicle market. It is hotter than ever before. Every single day you wake up, you see a new model launched. But today, all eyes are locked on one specific name, the Jaecoo J5 EV, an incredibly ambitious rookie. For those who might not know, Jaecoo is the sibling brand of the automotive giant Chery. They are expanding globally with a fiercely aggressive strategy. And the J5 EV, it is their smallest SUV to date. It has a tiny footprint, but it carries a colossal weight of expectations. Let's get straight into the hottest topic, the absolute core of our discussion today. The advertisements proudly claim this car can travel 500 kilometers, a beautiful number, perfect, highly idealized. It directly targets range anxiety, the biggest fear of any EV buyer. But what is the actual truth? As an independent automotive reviewer, I have to tell you the harsh reality. That 500 kilometers is a dream scenario. It was tested inside a highly controlled laboratory, perfect ambient temperature, ideal cruising speed, absolutely no traffic jams. What about the real world? Out there on actual roads? You turn on the freezing air conditioning, you carry 3 heavy friends in the back, or you crawl inch by inch in daily rush hour traffic, or you mash the throttle on the open highway. That magical 500 number will vanish rapidly.
Why do automakers love the number 500? Because it is a psychological barrier. It makes the transition from gasoline feel safe and secure. But let's break down the science of EV batteries for a second. Lithium-ion packs are highly sensitive creatures. They hate extreme cold. They hate extreme heat. When winter comes, the heater drains power like a vacuum. Your 500 kilometers drops to 350 before you even leave the driveway. Furthermore, highway speeds are the ultimate enemy of electric motors. Unlike gas engines that cruise efficiently in high gears, EV motors spin faster and consume exponentially more energy against wind resistance. So, when you see 500 kilometers on a shiny billboard, translate that in your mind. Think of it as up to 500, under the most favorable, almost impossible conditions. In reality, you should only expect around 380 or at most 420 kilometers. That is the hard physical limitation of current battery technology. Do not let clever marketing numbers blind you. The truth is always a bit more naked. However, let us be completely fair. A real-world 400 kilometers is actually more than enough. Enough for a full week of city commuting. Enough for a fun weekend getaway without any creeping anxiety. So, setting the range debate aside, what makes the J5 EV so incredibly attractive? A lot, honestly. A whole lot. Chery and Jaecoo have deployed a ruthlessly brilliant tactic against their rivals. They have crammed an incredible amount of value into this smallest SUV. They turned it into an absolute bargain. In 2026, in highly demanding global markets, Jaecoo confirmed a bold move. They will offer a highly streamlined trim strategy. Yes, a single, fully loaded version. No stripped-down base models. No forcing you to pay extra for essential options. All in one package. You buy the car, you get all the cutting-edge tech. That is an incredibly smart chess move. It optimizes their massive production lines, and it makes the customer feel deeply respected. Let us talk about the specific toys inside. They step inside the cabin. A massive screen instantly catches the eye. Soft-touch leather materials are everywhere. Ultra-high-definition cameras watching every angle. Sparkling ambient interior lighting. A fully loaded suite of active safety driver assists. Armed to the teeth, you will be overwhelmed. You will ask yourself, how can they sell it at this price with all these toys? The infotainment system is not just a screen. It is a supercomputer, powered by lightning-fast processors. Menu navigation is as fluid as the latest smartphone. Voice commands actually understand natural human language. You can tell the car you are cold, and it adjusts the climate control instantly.
The panoramic sunroof stretches all the way to the rear passengers, bathing the cabin in natural sunlight, making the compact interior feel vast and airy. And the seats, oh, the seats. They mimic the ergonomic designs of high-end luxury loungers, wrapped in sustainable, eco-friendly vegan leather. That is the sheer value Jaecoo delivers. They are absolute masters at seducing the customer's eyes.
But this is Next Gen Auto Reviews. We do not just look with our eyes. We evaluate with real-world feelings. And this is the exact moment where the perfect picture starts to show some cracks. A car, ultimately, is still a tool meant to be driven. The experience behind the steering wheel is what defines the soul of the machine. And with the Jaecoo J5 EV, that driving experience leaves a bit to be desired. It leaves us with too many lingering regrets. Why is that? The absolute truth lies beneath the chassis, the frame and the suspension system. It simply hasn't been tuned well enough, not deep enough. Building a good suspension is a dark art. It requires a delicate dance between spring stiffness and shock absorber rebound. When you add a massive heavy battery flat under the floor, you change the entire center of gravity. To prevent the car from bottoming out over big bumps, you need very stiff springs. But stiff springs create a harsh, bone-shaking ride over small cracks. To fix the harshness, you soften the dampers. But soft dampers lead to a bouncy, boat-like feeling on the highway. Finding that perfect middle ground is what separates the masters from the apprentices. Brands with deep racing heritage, they have mastered this dark art over decades. Jaecoo is still an apprentice. They opted for the softer, bouncier route. When you drive slowly in the city, it is fine, smooth, no complaints. But try taking it out onto the open highway. Try throwing it into a tight corner at high speeds, or driving over continuous speed bumps. The car starts to reveal its dynamic clumsiness. The body experiences a floating sensation, a slight, unsettling wobble. The steering rack feels heavily boosted by an electric motor. It is effortless to park with one single finger, but at 120 kilometers per hour, you want weight, you want resistance, you want the steering wheel to communicate the grip limit of the front tires. The J5 EV remains completely silent. It refuses to talk to your hands. It feels lifeless. The vital connection between the driver and the asphalt is severed by electronic software. This significantly reduces your driving confidence, especially during sudden emergency evasive maneuvers. From the perspective of an independent reviewer, I completely understand Jaecoo's corporate dilemma. They are a young, rising brand. They need to conquer market share rapidly, and the fastest way to do that is to hit buyers with stunning design, high tech, and an unbelievably cheap price tag. Mechanical refinement, steering feel, driving dynamics, those are things that take decades of relentless research, decades of engineering accumulation. Jaecoo does not have that deep heritage yet, so they made a calculated trade-off. They sacrificed a bit of the driving thrill to compensate with shiny, glowing screens and highly fashionable seats. And from a pure business standpoint, they made the absolute right call. This car forces us to ask a profound question. What defines a good car in 2026? 10 years ago, a good car was defined by its engine and gearbox, the smoothness of the shifts, the mechanical sound of the exhaust. Today, the paradigm has shifted completely. A good car is now defined by its software, by how fast its screens boot up, by how well its cameras can see in the dark. The vast majority of car buyers out there, they are not professional race car drivers. They do not care about steering feedback or chassis communication. They just need a beautiful car to take the family out on weekends, play great music, blast cold AC, charge their phones wirelessly. If you belong to this group, the 2026 Jaecoo J5 EV was born specifically for you. It will serve you flawlessly, inside the silent cabin of a futuristic technological spaceship. The value it brings far exceeds the money you spend. It is worth every single penny. But if you are a true automotive enthusiast, someone who loves the art of driving, who loves feeling every micro reaction of the machine, who loves the smile that appears when accelerating out of a tight apex, then please stop, think very carefully. This J5 EV will leave you feeling somewhat empty. It is merely a smart transportation appliance, nothing more, nothing less. It lacks the raw heartbeat of a sports car.
That is the brutal reality. No over-the-air software update can ever rewrite a core mechanical foundation. Let us talk a little more about the design language. The exterior of the J5 EV, it is genuinely striking. A closed-off front grille, the unmistakable signature of an EV. Sharp, aggressive lines, sweeping smoothly towards the rear. It carries the silhouette of vehicles from a distant future. At a quick passing glance, you would easily mistake this for a very expensive luxury car. That is Chery's design mastery at work. They know exactly how to trick the human eye. Ultra-bright LED headlights, aerodynamic wheels, designed to slice through the wind efficiently. All these tiny, calculated details, they contribute to achieving that 500-kilometer figure. However, building an EV is not just a design exercise. When you apply the brakes aggressively, the sheer momentum of the heavy battery will push the vehicle sliding forward. The regenerative braking system works, but sometimes it feels jerky and unrefined. It makes passengers prone to motion sickness feel quite uncomfortable. The seamless transition between mechanical friction brakes and electric regen is the true measure of engineering class. The Jaecoo J5 EV is still a bit rough around these specific edges. In conclusion, the story of the 2026 Jaecoo J5 EV is a classic modern tale of compromises. It perfectly exposes the current landscape of the global auto industry. Screen technology is slowly but surely masking traditional mechanical values. A highly advertised 500 kilometers might just translate to under 400 kilometers in the real world, armed to the absolute teeth with features, but thoroughly bland to drive. This is the new world we are living in. We have to learn to accept it and carefully choose what matters the absolute most to us individually. Jaecoo has executed their specific mission exceptionally well. They created a massive viral media sensation. They placed a colossal amount of pressure on legacy competitors, but the prestigious title of the perfect car remains quite a long distance away.
So finally, with tons of tech features but a rather dull driving experience, is the 2026 Jaecoo J5 EV actually worth your hard-earned money? Will you choose flashy, futuristic technology or an authentic driving feel? Leave your debate in the comments below. Do not forget to hit subscribe to the Next Gen Auto Reviews channel. Goodbye, and see you next time.